Okay.
Hey Rusty, I love you and I miss you, and I hope you've had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Just go kick some ass for us, buddy.
Happy Thanksgiving. Gobble gobble. What's up, Rusty? You know who it is. Happy Thanksgiving. Stay good. Hit me up sometime.
Happy Thanksgiving. Love you. Be careful. Give me a...
Hey Rusty, I love you and I miss you and I can't wait for you to come home. Good luck in Afghanistan. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving.
I'm gonna put a lot on it. I was gonna do.
Okay, everybody, we're doing a Thanksgiving video. Everybody say Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Yeah, what they say.
Miss you, Rusty.
Yeah.
What you got to say, Ron?
Just God bless him and hope he's doing great and see him soon.
Stan?
Duck fast.
Happy Thanksgiving. Miss you, Kelly. Miss you, Shannon. Miss you, Timmy. Miss you, Danny. Haley, Tristan. Abby.
Man.
Give you a little pan of the table here.
You know I walked past something.
Those were hors d'oeuvres.
I counted the bowls and then I looked.
We have turkey, we have stuffing, we have butternut squash, sweet potatoes, mashed turnips, broccoli casserole, collards, we have cranberry sauce, Kim made apple pie and pumpkin
We
pie.
have more than we should have. Look.
And this is just Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. We miss you. And I'm going to eat now, and we'll video some more later. How do I shut it?
Hit the standby button or the red button again.